I'm trying to explain my thought process and you keep interrupting. Okay? So if we could find a treatment facility, so I knew, because I'd rather have you in a treatment facility than in jail, trust me.
No, I don't have any history. I'm not sure.
Mr. Carney, we're going to adjourn these out to September 24th at
8:30.
8:30 in the morning. I understand you want to talk about bond, correct?
Yes, sir.
Correct.
Mr. Carney, yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. These files, on each of these 4 files, I've got you on personal bonds, but I've got you on an alcohol tether on a couple of them.
Yes, sir.
That's the bond. Alcohol,
Yes.
because of drunk driving charge, alcohol.
So you're not, that's where I think I may have been misunderstanding things before. So if it's a PR bond, the alcohol tether,
I think the problem's still the same though, without a permanent address.
there is no indigent alcohol tethers that I'm aware of. So he's not going anywhere.
Yeah, but the problem is the permanent address.
Be against a GPS tether. There's not a GPS tether requirement.
No, that's true.
So I'm not sure without knowing if it was a scram or a GPS, because
Yeah.
if it's GPS, it is. He needs an address.
No, you're right. It's money. Because I don't know of any.
There's no indigent scram devices that I'm aware of.
No, that was my problem when I said it. I forgot when we were talking. I didn't realize that. When I saw the nature of the charge, it reminded me.
Which would make sense now. The Mr. Carney and I discussed this. Practically speaking, Your Honor, he could borrow somebody else's car. I guess he could go rent a car, but he has no access to a vehicle at this point.
Right.
So again, I know the court's concerns are always to protect the public and ensure that he's back here. Practically speaking, besides his insurance support, he's obviously not going to drive anything or drink, but he doesn't really have access or means to get to a car at this point. I spoke personally on the phone with Trinity Health a little bit ago. Trinity Health has confirmed that they would have no issue with him coming back in inpatient capacity. The issue is they don't do virtual admissions. So he can't.
He has to get there.
He physically has to get himself there.
How's that going to happen?
Practically, he stated, Mr. Carney, I don't want to veer off the facts and get this wrong. You've stated to me that you have enough money to pay for your own Uber to the Ypsilanti location for that Trinity Ann Arbor inpatient, correct?
Yes, sir.
In your
Yes, sir.
property at the jail.
In your property at the jail. It's not going to be any wild goose chase. Just once you're released, standing right there on Russell Street, you'll be able to get into your phone and get an Uber out to Ypsilanti.
Yeah, I should have about $36 in my Cash App, but I think that'll get me out there.
I don't know if $36 would get him to Ipsy.
Get him to a bus station and get him out to Ypsilanti. I mean, the property's there, but I think everyone has good intentions with this. I think everyone would prefer that he be at Trinity.
I want him in treatment.
So
I want him in treatment, but the problem is, how am I going to know if he's not in treatment?
we won't, there would have to be a way that, I guess, if we gave Mr. Carney, say, a 24-hour window, he had to be at Trinity admitted, and if he failed to present this court within 24 hours of the phone number or some type of admissions paperwork, I guess he would then need to self-surrender, but it's kind of, I see where we're, kind of going.
And then I don't know where he's at, so we can't even pick him up on a bench for him.
So. He will be back in this court on the prelim on an unrelated matter on the 18th of this month.
Next week?
Yes, sir. I do have his grandmother's number. Told him I do my best to see what we can work out, but I kind of, we probably spent about an hour today making phone calls, not to family, but just alternate solutions. I feel that we may have kind of hit this impasse.
All right, Mr. Carney, I'm going to leave your bond as it is at this point. Who's the, Heather just walked out. Do you know who he's in front of next week?
It'll be the prelim is scheduled with Judge Martin.
All right, I will have a conversation with Judge Martin to let her know what my concerns are, to let her know I'm perfectly okay if she changes the bond, if we can come up with some kind of plan for treatment between now and Wednesday or Tuesday. But I'm out of town Tuesday, so I won't be here, but I'll have the conversation with her.
So, Mr. Carney, as I mentioned, after today, I will be approved to meet
I told him
you
we-
at the Wayne County Jail as your attorney.
Between now and.
So we're gonna keep working on the solution to try to get you over Trinity, but what Judge is saying is he's just not, we're not able to get over that logistical gap right now.
I need my rubber band.
Not able to petition, Judge Oakley, question if you might.
And Mr. Carney, the petition is for an involuntary hold. That's where an individual, if everyone says, I need to go to the mental hospital, and I'm saying, hell no. That's not what we're talking about. You, sir,
No.
actually tried, and the judge is trying to help us. Everyone has that goal. But you got some serious charges pending. And the court has a duty and a job to make sure that they get you to where you're supposed to be. So we're just trying to come up with a logistical solution to make that happen.
Just your personal marker.
Right, right.
I don't have, any showing that I wouldn't show up.
You're saying you got no history of not showing up? I didn't catch that.
No, I don't have any history of not showing up. I'm always-
Mr. Carney, Mr. Carney, let me try to explain my thought process. My concern is that we've got 2 drinking and driving offenses, and I've got a guy in front of me that doesn't have a job and doesn't have a permanent address. So that's the reason I ordered the alcohol tether, is because I'm worried about the drinking. I'm willing to let, all right, I'm trying to explain my thought process and you keep interrupting, okay? So if we could find a treatment facility, so I knew, because I'd rather have you in a treatment facility than in jail, trust me.
No, I don't have any history of not.
If we had a plan to put you in treatment, then I would change your bond to allow that to happen. The problem is right now, we don't have enough information. So what I'm saying is, if you can come up with a plan, Mr. Hadley's going to help you. Mr. Hadley's going to make some phone calls. If you can come up with a plan, so Tuesday, when you're in front of Judge Martin, you can present a plan for treatment, then I'm going to pre-approve it with Judge Martin that it's okay if she changes my bond to make that happen, because I'm out of town Tuesday. You follow me? Trust me,
Okay.
everybody in this building wants you in treatment, but I don't want you on the street. And that's my concern. If I let you out and you can't get into treatment, then you're on the street. Follow me?
Yeah.
I would actually have-
36 months that's left in his account, and just spent it to get out there. I'm with you.
Yeah.
I think giving us a
Right.
few days, Mr. Carney, I will be in touch. I can only do what I can do, but I can promise you, the judge will tell you, I'll flip over every stone to see what's out there for us, okay?
Do you have any questions, Mr. Carney?
Not really. I'm just no questions. I don't think.
Okay. I know you want to get out of there, Mr. Carney. I want you out of there. I want you out of there, but it's got to be under circumstances that I'm comfortable with.
The other. and
Yes,
you
sir.
are-
Like I said, what I,
You're in the mental unit right now, right?
It looks like it. He's not.
Suicide watch, and I just want to make sure you're still housed right
Yeah.
now. So,
Yeah.
Mr. Carney, like I said, I'll be reaching out to the jail, I'll be reaching out to you. As soon as I'm approved to meet with you, I'll be at the facility and we'll be talking, okay?
I think it's something as a Jeff by.
First?
So, Your Honor, I think
Okay.
that'll conclude, Mr. Carney.
All right. Good luck, Mr. Carney. We're working on it.
Working.
All right, Mr. Bowditch, incident date October 22, 24, if you would voir dire. This was in Van Buren.
2024. You driving the Van Buren Township?
Yes,
Were you involved in an accident at that time?
yes,
Did you fail to report to anybody that accident?
yes.
Defense satisfied, Your Honor.
So am I. I'll dismiss the original charge. What should I know about Mr. Hurst?
Well, Your Honor, the other charge of not a valid license, that he clearly was, I think he got to review it. He had his full license back.
Good,
Insurance took care of the accident.
good.
Everything was good.
All right, working?
Yes.
Where do you work?
Ryan, Ann Arbor,
How long you been in the union?
2 years.
Where are you working now?
I'm working at Slauson Middle School in Ann Arbor, building a gym.
Okay, all right. So be there for a while.
There's a couple more months, yeah.
Good, good. All right.
The high rise down.
How many hours a week you getting?
Working.
Okay, all right.
Any plus time.
Okay, yeah, if you're lucky. Anything else? Okay. All right, we got a couple late fees. Show cause and a warrant. $400 fines and costs. Can you pay it today?
No.
All right, go downstairs and talk about your options. Before you leave the building, I want a plan in place to get this taken care of. All right, any questions? Sorry.
Oh, I got it. Thank you.
Benson, come on up. You're welcome, sir.
You're on the board of record, Kevin Collins, appearing on behalf of, and bringing Mr. Benson, Perkins. Sir, you need to,
It was Benson, none of it.
Thank you.
sitting in the serving right, Mr. Your Honor, days and date time, I think. The year executed plea agreement, in which, Mr. Benson will be pleading guilty to 2 charges of retail fraud. Back in 124, 125. There is a restitution amount that, it's agreed to $902.81. I believe Mr. Benson has posted a $1,000 bond, which should cover that restitution. As a $500 bond. As far as,
Stop. Do you see any cash bond? I see sureties.
I don't get that. What is the date on this shirt?
Oh, March.
Yeah, I showed that he posted on May 8th, 500 on each file.
Okay. All right. So obviously this surety didn't work and he came in with cash. Okay, go ahead. I just want to confirm. Go ahead.
also, when it comes to the sentencing, Mr. Benson was in custody from March 25th of 2025 till November 25th, till November of 2025. And then from January of this year till March of this year, he was in custody.
On what? Not these.
Not these charges, no.
Okay.
Something,
I might be swayed.
It's 65 mails in, Robert.
Okay.
But they said somebody may have been a 1-year misdemeanor. He wouldn't have been eligible.
Okay.
But he admits freely that,
I just found the plea by mail. Go ahead.
he admits freely that back in the past, he was a drug user, he's no
Yeah.
longer, he's clean and sober.
Okay.
Told me, he said, I can't even remember the store that stole. So
All right. All right. We'll
he
get,
did it to support a drug.
to that after. Let's get the plea out of the way. You understand your rights and options?
Yes, sir.
You understand the possible penalty for retail fraud? Are you pleading guilty to these 2 today?
Yes.
Are you doing so freely and voluntarily? Okay. If you can't remember, would you plead no contest?
I definitely.
You understand no contest tells me you're not fighting the charge.
Right.
Let me see if I got any information in the files.
Not standard meetings. He could recite. You think it's probably better than mine?
Yeah, one of them, I got a complaint, so the complaint probably has what I need. Yeah, so on November 10, 2024, the complaint and warrant has a factual basis that supports a plea.
Okay.
So we're good on that one.
That's,
And then for the December 2nd, I gotta find it, but we probably have the same stuff. Yeah, we're good on both files. So there's facts in each file that would support a no contest plea, so I can sentence today. So how long you been out? You've been out since, I wrote it down, since March? All right, so what are you doing now?
So, yeah, I would take care of my mother. She did.
Okay.
I was just
Yep. How long you been clean and sober?
feeling, but so March or 15, 16 months now.
Okay,
I just get a day at a time. I try to,
yeah. So are you doing anything now? I mean, you doing meetings or anything?
my other knee does, fair,
No, I mean, are you doing any meetings or anything to work on your sobriety?
it's virtual meetings, but, I've been doing,
You've been doing good.
I got a couple people I can talk to.
Yeah, good support system. Okay. All right, so on the,
My mother's not really that well right now. She's 82 and she
Okay.
health is severely declining. I really don't have time.
yeah, well, good luck with that. Good luck. Tough to be a caregiver. All right, so on the December 2nd, 2024 case number, I'm going to give you 90 days in jail and close it out. The December one, case number ending in 29. All right, on the other file. I'm gonna order the restitution. How are you gonna pay that?
He has 1,000 in bond.
Oh, just take the restitution out of bond, convert the rest to cost. All right, so on that file, on the November file, I'm putting you on a 12-month non-reporting probation, stay out of trouble. You violate new criminal offenses, then I'm gonna remember how nice I was today, and I won't be so nice then. Fair? Yeah, so you got a lot of good reasons to state. Yeah, all right,
Appreciate that though. And you said it's not reporting?
yeah, all you gotta do is stay out of trouble. Yeah, all right, so you got that with the bond?
Yes.
We'll take the restitution.
It's 9,281 is the restitution, correct?
Yeah, 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 that's the exact number. Okay, so you got it? Money, you're done, stay out of trouble, go away.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, hold on, he owes us money on other stuff. Yeah, go downstairs, $474 is what I show.
It's the one case. Like this,
Yeah, it's a Huron Township DWLS case.
something else.
DWLS, drove while license suspended. All right, so go downstairs and talk about your options. We got options that don't include money. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, they can talk about community service options, workday options. We got options.
And originally, and I think everything $1.
Well, and you're broke, so talk to them about your options and especially the ones that don't require money. All right? Yep.
So I mean, $30 as the bond.
Perfect. Lovely. Double parking, I'll do it on the civil infraction.
Doesn't matter. With their monthly, but it's the next.
Thank you. Council, I've got a double parking plea
Possible.
and agreed to pay fines and costs, 180. When?
Have a payment plan set up with your,
That, this doesn't do payment plans. Because this is a special deal, we're gonna dismiss cases. So this one, I'm not putting you on a payment plan. This one, I'll give you a due date. So keep your, do whatever you got going on the payment plan on the other stuff, but this one, I just need $180. When?
30 days.
I'd rather not. Are you working?
Kind of, my kids start school next week. I got both of my kids full time, so I'm kind of trying. They go back to school.
Oh, I got you. You're a stay-at-home dad right now.
Yeah.
So where do you work when the kids are in school? What do you do?
Thank you for,
What kind?
kind of an out for
What are you doing though?
one off, so polling.
Okay. Okay. All right. September 11th enough?
Yes, sir.
You sure? All right. Keep in mind that these files don't get dismissed until we get the money, then we'll dismiss them. Otherwise, they're just kind of hanging there. All right. All right, good luck. Council, I've got Olunuski. How do you say it? Say it again. El Eunice. El Unice. Okay, I wasn't hearing the C on the end. El Unice. All right, gotcha. Go ahead, Council.
That's what happens. We have seen it, but it's small, let's say, the writing, but so.
All right, and I see he's going to plead responsible to a civil infraction that was issued on July 26th, and the misdemeanor that came with it is dismissed, correct? Is that correct? Fines and costs, 180. Can you pay it today? All right, go downstairs. Cashier will probably, I know, it's been a long morning. She might have one more smile left. She'll take your money and get you out of here. Mr. Neely, is that correct? That's the way you want to resolve these matters today?
Yeah, for sure. I got my license back now. I just want to get it out the way. Take care.
With Operation.
Good. All right. When can you pay the $400, sir?
Can I get maybe 30 days, 30 or 60 days?
Oh, no.
I
Oh, no,
can't.
not for this deal.
Okay, so what I need? I mean, like, how,
Thousands of dollars over the past month in unpaid tickets to other courts. So he has been, I know that doesn't change with Brett Outlay.
How much can you get me and how soon?
by the end of this week, I can at least do half. By maybe Saturday or Monday, I can do half of it. by Monday, and I'll probably do the other half the next week.
You're
Is that
sure?
okay? Yeah, I definitely, yeah, because I'm on a project now, and I should be getting done with this within about 2 weeks. That's why I was saying
So-
like 30 days. But
All right, you think you can get it all done by the end of next week, which is the 28th.
how much is it altogether?
400 total, boss. Sorry.
So if I give you until September 4th, you're sure?
Positive. Yes, I know for sure I'll be done then. I'll
Then
be done
that's
with
your
that.
due date. That's your
Okay.
due date. When we get that money, then this misdemeanor is dismissed.
Perfect. I'll have it done.
Good luck to you.
Thank you. Thank you.
You know, I'll text you, we're just gonna do our normal, third Thursday, 2 o'clock on Zoom, okay?
Okay, thanks. Have a good day.
Thank you.